Assalamualaikum friends, how are you? Hope you enjoy the life. So today we discuss about the geography of Southeast Asia, the part of the southeast of Asia, the countries of Southeast Asia. Region of the realm: mainland region Vietnam, previously North and South Vietnam; Cambodia, previously French Indo-Pak China; Laos, previously French Indo-Pak China; Thailand; Myanmar, previously known as Burma. Mainland region: 5 states: Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, Thailand and Myanmar. Buddhism dominates the cultural landscape. A multicultural and multi-thinking region. One of the least urbanized realm in the world. Some countries have more than one core area. Vietnam, Myanmar. Vietnam. This is a map of Vietnam. 18.9 million people. French delimited Vietnam. Not a homogeneous colony, divided into 3 units: Tonkin, Hanoi, Cochin, China, Saigon, Annam, Hue. Vietnam, Mekong River Delta, advantageous relative location on Pacific Rim, economic development slow, communist system. Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon has advantage over Hanoi capital, accessible by ocean-going vessels. Special economic zone downstream from Saigon. Issue concerns: population is about 18.9 million, has doubled since the end of war 1975. A classic elongated country. A bipolar agreement exists between Saigon and Hanoi. New strategy: retain communist political system but pursue market economy. The Kingdom of Cambodia, Mekong River, core area in the interior, culturally homogeneous. Khmer's Rock communist revolutionaries drove people from urban to rural area. Vietnam invaded in 1978. UN sponsored election in 1993. A classical compact state, Cambodia, population of 12.7 million, with strong ethnic and cultural homogeneity. 90% of Khmers. Phnom Penh, 1.2 million, principal city and capital. A victim of wars and insurgencies. Vietnam spillover: 97 military depots of the king. 1975 communist revolutionaries. Khmer Rouge, Kampuchea, invaded by Vietnam in late 1917s. Laos independence in 1949. Laos People's Democratic Republic 1975. Communist government. Landlocked country, rural based population, little infrastructure and industry. This is the only country of Southeast Asia which is landlocked. Okay. Laos, a landlocked state, a former French colony from 1893 to 1953. Population about 5.5 million, with 50% ethnic Lao, 70% urbanized, undeveloped with no railroad, little industry and few roads. The realms: forest country. Kingdom of Thailand, leading state of region, economic growth, relative location, natural environment, social conditions, steffi field by mismanagement. Bangkok, Venice of Asia, problem: surface communication, influx of refugees, drugs. Thailand is a classic protected state, population about 63.1 million, has the slowest growth rate in the realm. Per capita GNP is higher than Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos and with Myanmar combined. Bangkok, a classic primitive city of 7.8 million. Economic success, relative location, natural environment, Thai worker force. Myanmar, also known as Burma, one of the world's poorest country, independent 1948, military government 1962, Irrawaddy River, core area Yangon and Mandalay, ethnic diversity Burmans 68, Shan 9, Karan 7%. Burma is a pro-third state with an unserved extension. A former British colony, Burma, which became independent in 1948. Population is about 50.9 million, 80% literate and culturally diverse. Agricultural potential is good, varied soil and environmental condition, self-sufficient in rice. World's leading producer of opium, poppies, industry, insular Southeast Asia, a sub-realm of Peninsulan and island. Southeast Asian southern and eastern periphery, comprised of 5 states, all of which have colonial history: Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Singapore and Brunei Darul Islam. Fragmented political entities, a multicultural and multi-ethnic region. Islamic prevails, colonialism persists, ethnic mosaic. Malaysia, fragmented state, mainland island type, a former British colony. Malaysia came into being in 1963, referring to the federal organization and expansion of Malaya on the Mali Peninsula to include part of Brunei. Population of 24.2 million with strong adherence to Islam. A rapidly growing economy with third highest GNP in the realm. Pinning a future Singapore. Singapore, a city-state, seceded from Malaysia in 1965. Population of 4.1 million, 76% are Chinese, 50% Mali and 6% South Asian. Absolute location and site were initial considerations, but relatively location and situation were its key. Per capita GNP reached about $30 million in America 2000. Indonesia is a fragmented state of more than 13,000 islands. This is known as archipelago. A Dutch colony, creation, population of 290 million. 4 major islands: Greater Sunda Island, Java, Sumatra, Kalimantan, part of Borneo, Sulawesi, Celebes. Java is the core with 130 million, the largest Muslim population of the world. East Timor, one of the newest little country in the world, former Portuguese colony, large Catholic population, gained independence from Indonesia by 2002. Brunei, an anomaly in Southeast Asia, an oil exporting Islamic Sultanate, a British protected remnant, gained independence in 1984. 34,000 people with 2,225 square mile. Oil discovered in 1929, natural gas in 1965. Population is 64% Mali, 20% Chinese. Philippines, Republic of Philippines in 1946. Insurgents, over 7,000 island, 3 island group, Luzon and Mindoro, Visayan, Mindanao. Philippine archipelago of 7,000 islands, most of which are one